Hello, trading is closed on April 21st, 2020. Let's go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early low. Here it is. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. We didn't have a specific call other than saying we thought there was a good chance the high of this rally leg was in. And I think this is further confirmation. Come back to that in a second. During the day, MEJT gave a buy signal. Target printed immediately. Doesn't mean you wouldn't go higher, just that you didn't have to. Gave an optional lower target under the dashed line. We saw that as well. Here's what we said. A pattern compatible with the rally leg ending soon if it hasn't ended already. I think it has ended. I've taken away some of the question marks here. I think this is wave blue A. I think this is wave blue B, but it could be A or B. At this point, you don't know. So we're either in wave blue C down, or we're going to make an ABC here. But I think this rally's over with the ABC, with C equal to A. Now we're looking for this 600-point move under the line to be equal by 600 points over it. Have to take the true range, which means we take yesterday's close. We're not there yet. Now, things don't work every single time, but we will get there pretty soon, and I would like it if we had somewhat of a pullback to complete the pattern. It's not the kind of thing I'd risk a lot of money on, though, because the next big move should be down. Well, this is a valid break. You connect these things, you gap under the line. You have to do a few things for confirmation. You have to trade under today's close by 1 cent. You have to stay under the line for at least 2 or 3 days. Shouldn't be too hard. That being said, when you have a slanting line like this and you gap under it in a straight line, it's common to retrace up to the line. So even though I think this move is over, I still would like us to trade a little bit higher before we have what I think will be a collapse. And that little bit higher could be over 2,800 to get back up to the line. I can't say it's required, but it would make things fit more nicely. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early high, doesn't mean you won't gap down. We gap down, hit a lower low, closed over both lows. Either we gap and promptly undercut today's low, or higher prices should print. Doesn't mean you'll close higher. That's what I'd like to see, to get a little bit higher to satisfy our upside target. But any rally here, if it occurs at all, should go no higher than the blue trend line we showed in our chart. I think we started wave C down. I think it will be comparable in character to wave A, which was a disaster. But it's also possible we're still in wave B and the collapse. This is wave A. It's possible we'll consolidate before the inevitable steep wave C drop. So as far as tomorrow's concerned, we don't take this out early. We should see higher prices. I think it's even possible we get a retracement, which shouldn't go past this line. But once those preliminaries are done, I think we're ready for the next leg down. And that's today's call.